Today we'll be trying new candies from Five Below that we never tried before. So first, all these
Choco Rooms.
Choco Rooms. Mom, get one out.
Let me show what they look like.
This is how they look. Let's try.
Cool looking. Hey, cool thing.
Mmm. That's so good.
They
Get these
Ooh,
at Five
remind me of-
Below. These are so good.
okay. I'll give these like a 9 out of 10.
Yeah, 9 out of 10, definitely.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll come back for the next bag. Next food is these marshmallows with strawberry favorite time milk. It definitely smells strong.
Need a drink?
It smells so strong right now.
They're very airy and marshmallowy.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, you ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, it's the middle. It's like a jelly. You don't like them?
No. Let's see where out of 10.
Huh?
Let's see where out of 10.
0?
Yes.
So the middle's kind of like, like a sour strawberry kind of.
Yeah.
But, yeah, they're not my favorite. The marshmallow's good though. I'd give them a
This is a 0 out of 10, definitely.
0. You gotta give them something.
A 1 out of 10.
Okay, I'll give them a 3.
Okay, I'll come back when the next food is ready.
All right, next is Australia's Velvet Crumble Bar. And it kind of feels like a freeze dried bar.
So this is what it looks like inside, and this is what it looks like right here and everything. So these smell test. Ugh. It smells
All
interesting.
right, you ready?
Yeah.
Crunchy.
They're weird. It's weird to me. Like a 5 out of 10? No, like
5
a
out of
4
10.
out of 10.
5 out of 10.
A 4 out of 10, definitely. Okay, I'm gonna come back when the next food. Next food is these.
Next candy.
Next candy is these watermelon peel things. So
Peelers.
peel it. Smells so good. Okay.
Girl, you gotta peel them. You didn't even show what they look like. It's a watermelon.
That's